All right, another home tour for you today, evening twilight tour. It's about 7 o'clock right now. Final house that I've looked at today. We've looked at several, but check it out. Absolutely gorgeous. We have the cute little she shed over here. So a little bit about this one. I'm gonna flip it around and get this tour going. It is, well, first I should say we are in Claremore, which is north of Tulsa, if you're not familiar with the area. This one is currently offered at the time of filming $1,200,000. It is sitting on 13.5 acres. So good amount of land. Obviously you have the 3-car garage here. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. Pretty spectacular. Very farmhouse, as you can see. And let's see, it is 4,456 acres. Great garden space here. We're having a broker's open. The Paramount team is. Do you want to be in my video? Sure. Okay, wait. Okay, you're just leaving. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part is the outdoor entertainment area, probably.
Oh, the pool area?
I did like all the open area with the living room and the formal dining. I don't know, it's all beautiful, and I love the grounds and just the peacefulness.
It is really serene. I mean, you can't hear nothing. Just the wind.
Yeah.
So,
good to see you.
Bye. So I do love the patio space here. Obviously, swing, sitting out on the front porch. It's actually gonna rain later tonight, so the nice cool air is blowing in. It's pretty amazing. I can't let you inside, I'm so sorry. The family dog wants in, but anyway. Right here in the foyer, that way is where everybody's hanging out, so we're gonna go there a little bit later, but let's start out right here. We've got your foyer area, coat closet. Down here is going to be a full bath, which is connected to this bedroom here. Nice shower. And then in here, bedroom. And then it goes around to a music room. But before I do that, I'm gonna actually go over here because I believe the primary bedroom is right here. Yes, I am correct. Got a little turned around. So, huge room. Obviously, 4-poster bed gives you an idea of how large this room is. You've got the shiplap on the back. Barn doors into an absolutely luxurious bath there. I love the 4 clawfoot tub. Very retro. Massive shower here. As you can see, it's got the bench. Dual vanities. Very rustic. I mean, if you're into country houses, I like the distressed wood look. Very cool. Obviously, toilet area. And a massive closet. Storage on the island there. And then you also have a storm shelter, which is pretty great. But let's go back around. What's up? Are you leaving? You're leaving?
Yeah.
Here.
I gotta get home and get to bed.
People haven't seen Jasmine in a while.
I'm back, guys.
What was your favorite part?
Oh, the backyard.
Oh, well, you're the second person to say that. But the backyard, I mean, is pretty fantastic.
Okay, outside of the backyard, I guess the living and kitchen. Living and kitchen room is nice.
That's true. Okay, I'll see you later.
All right, buddy.
So over here, back through where we kind of started and then I stopped, is that music room, like I said. But this doesn't have to be a music room. It could just be like a study, little office area, but I love the built-ins. Pretty fantastic. Come through this way, we've got our formal dining. There's a glimpse of the pool there, but we're not gonna go out there yet. I'll save that for the end. But we got gorgeous fireplace there with built-ins on both sides. Also coffered ceiling. You leaving?
Yeah, see you later.
Okay, see you later. Here is, I'm sorry, formal dining. The other one was kitchen nook. I think I said it was formal dining. Through that way, we have a drop zone into the kitchen, but you got a tankless water heater right here. This is kind of just like a sitting room / game room, and then this door goes out to the backyard by the pool. So this bathroom would actually be used for your pool guests Got some hanging there. Just so they're not tracking, you know, water through the house because the pool is just right down this sidewalk area. But we'll head across. Look, Jasmine, she said she was leaving. She's out there making videos. Here's another office area. Doesn't have a closet in here, so it's not technically a bedroom, but if you needed like a nursery or something. It does have a second entry into the home right here, and then here is our absolutely massive garage. Remember, it looked kind of like a barn from the front. I think definitely looks like a barn in here from any barns that I've been in. But super tall ceilings in here. You've got the wood panels, and they've insulated the ceiling as well, which is great. And then obviously you can go out to the pool area.
How's it going?
I'm getting there. I haven't done like the kitchen, but we did all of this.
Oh, I so enjoyed the outside, sitting on the swings, enjoying the porch, you know, the patio, the beautiful breeze.
So you're the third
Going
person
through-
to hop in my video and say the backyard is the best
Oh,
part.
that's the best part.
So through here, obviously we got the kitchen, and then this, we'll show you the kitchen first. What?
Oh, never
The
mind.
living room? No.
Probably my favorite room.
It's kind of like craft room / utility room all in one.
Everything can happen in here. And the view, the windows while you're busy working.
It's pretty great. And we're on like 13.5 acres. Gas range, you got the butcher block, which is cool. And then on this side is your pantry. Really good size. Ooh, the wind is picking up out there. Nice farm sink looking out to the pool. So we went through there. I'm going to go upstairs first, and then I'll show you the backyard. So let's go upstairs. So up here, there's, let's see, 3 bedrooms and a full bath, and then kind of small kind of game room area storage. Well, it's not really a game room, but this hallway for storage, and then one of the kids' bedrooms. Across the way is that full bath that I said. Pretty great. And then here's the toilet area. Whew, stairs, let me tell you. Across the way, see, everybody's leaving, I gotta hurry. Here's bedroom. And then on the other side, we have got the other bedroom. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go back downstairs and I'm going to show you the backyard that everyone has raved about so far in this video. All right, the moment you've been waiting for. Here we are. I mean, it's pretty stunning. I'm not gonna lie. We've got the outdoor kitchen here, outdoor speakers. These, the patio here is made with the Trex stuff, so it doesn't rot, it lasts forever. Love the pergola. And then down this pathway, that door right there is where that bathroom was that I showed you. So you don't have to track water through the house. Looks like the seller does a little bit of gardening over there. Again, it's 13 acres. Pretty spectacular. Gorgeous pool. I believe it's salt water. I love the lagoon style with the darker color. Got your fire pit out here. I felt a raindrop. I gotta hurry. There's your back profile. Pretty spectacular. I also love this weather vane here that they got going on. But anyway, in case I missed something, make sure you check the description for the link to all the photos and the information. If you're interested in this house, obviously reach out to me, be happy to show it to you. But if you like home tours like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. If I can ever be of assistance, with any of your real estate needs, definitely reach out to me, and we will see you in the next video.